Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable stolen protection on iPhone if Face ID won't work. Now for example, you have the error where your Face ID won't work and this should be the one on how to fix it. So settings right there and look for the one that says Face ID and Passcode. Just type in your Face ID or passcode right there and you'll be logged in. In here, look for the one that says stolen has the word stolen right there, and as you see right here, it's currently turned on. Make sure this is away from familiar locations or always. Choose one of each, and basically, for this one, try turning it off. Now, for example, your Face ID doesn't work, you can just type in here, and basically for that one, keep on trying until sometimes Face ID won't work, or will it work? Now, for example, you can now turn this off properly. Moving forward, you can now go here on settings, and click on general right there and basically transfer everything. Sorry about that. Transfer, reset everything, and reset all content and settings. Basically, we're gonna restart or backup our phone from the very beginning. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.